What's up, guys? All right, so now you're going to upload the video. It's pretty simple. Don't worry about it. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to learn about uploading videos, but for now, we just want to see, are you serious about this? Do you really want to do YouTube stuff? Because really, all you got to do is upload videos. So that's why I'm doing this course for you guys, where you just have 7 concepts and you just upload 7 videos. But before you can do that, we need to show you how to upload videos, right? So if you have, or you've used YouTube before, but you've never uploaded a video, you're gonna see some different things than somebody who's uploaded videos in the past, right? And if you don't have a YouTube account, you just need to make a Gmail account. I'm not gonna show you exactly how to do that because it's pretty straightforward. Anyone in the world can do it. You just need to sign up, put in like a phone number or something like that. I don't think you actually even need a phone number. But once you have a Gmail account, then you're gonna be able to use YouTube with that Gmail account, all right? And it's gonna look something like this when you're on the home page. So what What you're gonna do is click on this button here, create a video or post, and then click upload video. And if you're doing this for the first time, it's gonna ask you something like this, because you've only viewed YouTube videos before. So you have to kind of create your channel so that you can upload videos to it, right? It's really simple. It's just gonna pick whatever name you filled into your Google account and then create channel. Why did that reset? Click create channel again. Okay. Well, what if we click upload video again? Hey, there we go. Now it worked. And look at this. We're here. And now there's one thing I want you guys to know. If you want to make videos longer than 15 minutes, there's a slight little verification process you have to go through, and we're going to talk about that in another video. But for now, most of your videos, I'm almost certain, are going to be less than 15 minutes, right? So all you do is click here, you find your video file. In this case, we're going to do test video. And YouTube accepts a whole bunch of different file formats. What you want is to probably record an MP4. That would be good. But FLV is really good too, because if, say, your computer dies, then you don't lose your recording. Whereas with MP4, if your computer dies, you lose the whole recording. There's certain kinds of file formats that are essentially like the recording's added in chunks. So if the computer dies, the file still exists, right? Whereas if you do it another way, whereas the recording needs to end and then be finished, then you lose the whole thing, right? There's a lot of these things to think about. You don't need to worry about this at all. Like I said, all you gotta do is upload your video, and then you gotta be like, this is my first video! This is my first YouTube video! Okay? And then in this video, I talk about my first YouTube video! First YouTube video! Woo! And then for tags, you can just put like, first YouTube video. It really doesn't matter. We don't care about all this stuff right now. What we care about is you uploading videos, because that's what a YouTuber does. If you're not uploading videos, you're not running a YouTube channel. You gotta upload videos. That is where it all comes from. If you can just learn one thing, it's that if you're even watching this, you're interested in doing this, right? So all you gotta do is just make videos and upload them. As long as you're doing that, everything else will come together. You just gotta upload the videos. And I know it's scary, it may be intimidating, and you know what? You don't even have to share them with your friends if you don't want to. Just make sure that shit's clicked public. All right? All right, guys. See you in the rest of the course. Ciao.